Welcome to CG channel. Our objectives in this video are: install Softether VPN client, install portable PuTTY, configure VPN client to log in network using certificate, setting manual IP address for virtual VPN adapter, SSH into Ubuntu server using portable PuTTY. Open our browser. Right-click. Open. Go to www.google.com. Enter. Type Softether. Enter. Then visit the Softether VPN project website. Right-click. Open link in new tab. Choose Download from the top menu. Select the primary download server. Download Softether VPN. Choose Softether VPN client from the drop-down component. Choose the platform. Windows. Scroll down and choose the Softether VPN client download link. Save this installer on desktop. Save. Then we can close this tab. And this tab too. Then search for portable PuTTY. Enter. Choose the portable PuTTY from portableapps.com. Click on green button. Download from portableapps.com. Save this installer on desktop. Save. Then we can close the browser. Now we are going to install Softether VPN client. Right-click the installer. Choose Open. Click the Next button. Choose Yes in UAC prompt. Choose the Softether VPN client. Click on the Next button. Agree to the end-user license agreement. Click on the Next button. Important notices. Click on the Next button. Use the default directory and click on the Next button. click on the Next button to start installation. Click on the Finish button. And we can delete this installer. Now we are going to install puTTY Portable. Right-click on puTTY. Open. Click on Next. I will install it in C drive puTTY. Click on Install. Finish. We can delete this installer now. Now we going to bring out puTTY shortcut from installed directory. Open my computer. Open C drive. Open puTTY. Right-click on puTTY executable. Click Send to Desktop. Then we can close this window. Rename this icon to puTTY. Enter. Now we already installed Softether and puTTY Portable. Right-click on Softether. Open. Softether will prompt you to create a new virtual network adapter. Or you can right-click on here. Choose New Virtual Adapter. Use the default adapter name, VPN. OK. Right-click on this virtual adapter. Choose Open Windows Network Connection. Right-click on the VPN client. Choose Properties. We can untick all except TCP, IPv4. Choose Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Use the following IP address. Key in your assigned IP address. In my case, 192.168.0.30. Click on Subnet Mask. Windows will automatically fill up your subnet mask. Click OK. Click on Close button. Close this window. Now, we are going to add new VPN connection. Make sure you already have your certificate. Right-click on New VPN connection. Choose New. You can use the default name or other identifier. Click on Hostname. Key in your hostname provided by your provider. Under User Authentication setting, choose Client Certificate Authentication. Click on Specify Client Certificate. Browse to your certificate directory and choose your certificate. Click on Open. Click on Private Key. Enter your passphrase to read private key. You can obtain this from your certificate provider. Click the OK button. Key and username. You can obtain this from your certificate provider too. Click OK. Now we are going to connect to our VPN network. Click on the connection identifier. Right-click and choose Connect. Now our VPN network is connected. It means you can now connect other devices inside this network, and other devices can connect to your PC too. We can minimize this window. Right-click on puTTY. Choose Open. Type the host name or IP address, in my case, 192.168.0.9 for my Ubuntu server. If you want to save this connection, you can type your identifier, in my case, I just put 192.168.0.9. Click Save. Click Open. Accept puTTY security alert. Type your user ID for this server. Enter. Type your password. Enter. Then you are connected to this Ubuntu server. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. You are welcome to leave comments, subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.